Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven. So we're going to go ahead and dice the potatoes up into cubes now. And first thing I'm going to do is just cut along it. I'm going to make each slice less than an inch. I'm just going to hold it together with my hands. Okay. And these are going to be a good size so that they won't take too long to cook. Okay. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and just stack about 2 at a time. And we'll cut it, depending on the width of the potato, about 3 times across. Okay? And then we'll just turn it this way. And we'll cut it about 3 times across again, and we'll get these nice chunks. You'll see the size of the final cubes. They're smaller than a cube of cheese. Okay, and we will do this. We'll just continue to stack them on there and do it 2 pieces at a time. We'll do this for all 4 of the potatoes.